Day 15 of nomadic life.
Hey folks, welcome to Camping with the Campbells. My name's Hunter, and I'm the guy that keeps everybody in line. So y'all stay in line now and watch this video. Dad's got some good stuff queued up for you, so you should enjoy. I'll see you at the end. Y'all have a good day now. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Don't y'all be listening to my brother. He knows not what he says. Not everything comes out of his face is worth listening to. So, I just want y'all to know, this is Camping with the Campbells. My name's Maya, and you're welcome to call me Miss Maya. Thank you. Have a great day.
Experienced our first high wind storm. And so now I'm using my trusty grabber, picking up my limb scraps in here in the campground and putting them in the fire pit. For somebody else probably, not necessarily me, but anyway. And just thought I would share a little bit of this wonderful goodness with you guys. You know, we just pulled back over to our campsite that we were designated to begin with in the middle of the trees, and we're enjoying the trees. We're enjoying the life of being full-time. These are new experiences, and I'll tell you a little bit about my batteries. When we bought this RV, we started with one 12-volt battery, and I had two 6-volt deep cycle batteries I bought for our travel trailer, but I never did quite hook them up. I put them in the RV for safekeeping. So needless to say, the first night without power, my butt was out there hooking those batteries up. And we made it. You know, well, the power went out at like 6 p.m. Maybe it was 3 p.m. About 3 p.m. the power went out. And that night, well, about 5 p.m. the ranger came by and asked us to move out into the open. And that night, after dark, around 7, I was out there hooking those other two batteries up because our battery was down to 25%. And I just knew that furnace was going to kill it. I never thought nothing about it. We're sitting in a campground. We're plugged in, waiting for the power. Oh, the power's going to be out in a couple hours. Not. So we was running the heater like normal, you know. And then we shut everything off, went to bed. Got kind of cold that night. The next day we got up and, oh, it's going to be in 2 hours. Then 2 hours later, oh, it's going to be in 2 hours. And then 2 hours. And it went on all day long. Then I looked over at my batteries and they're at a half. They're at 50%. And I'm like, well, crap. Those other two batteries must have added power. It just took a minute. So we didn't really concern. We turned the heat down, but we didn't leave it high. We turned it down. And it stayed, you know, we had to cover up with a blanket and wear long pants and long sleeves. But we were okay. We were doing great. We were enjoying life. Our computers still worked because we had battery power. Phones still worked. We had battery power. But we exhausted all that. Yeah. By 9:30, I looked over at Sue and I says, we might as well go to bed because my phone's got like 30%. My laptop's done. I can't watch it no more. This other stuff her laptop was done already. And I'm like, okay, well, that's done. My arm's getting tired from holding this. Oh, gosh. So we went to bed about 9:30, and darn it, I had the heat turned way down low. I mean, low. It was really chilly in there. And I kept fretting over, oh, if the power don't come on, I'm going to run those batteries completely dead. Then we're going to be buying new batteries. And oh, my gosh. Well, it worked out. About 3:30, Hunter got up, said he had to go potty. So I took him out. And then about 4 o'clock, the electric came back on. And I actually went to sleep and slept till 9. Mama let me sleep because of being awake most of the night. I was just, gosh, hair is just always all over the place. I remind myself of Uncle Fester from but so I just wanted to make a quick update. Let me tell you, folks, nothing but pleasant lessons. We are learning new things that not all the RVers told you about when you do all your research on YouTube. A lot of those RVers don't tell you about all these things, you know, about the unpleasant expected moments where, oh my gosh, I've got brown water in my tub. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not puke. Well, so we experienced that one, and we're meeting nice people. Everybody we meet at the campground is nice. A lot of the weekend campers, they don't even talk. They just go out and do their thing. They don't do nothing. But I don't know what else to say. Oh, let me add this one quick one here, real quick. I installed my backup camera. Drilled a small hole in there. Fished all of the wire. The wire was about gosh, 4 or 5 feet long. Little thin wires, thinner than a pencil, you know, larger than a stick pin. That was a bad term. Stick pin. Larger than a bobby pin, thinner than a pencil, larger than a bobby pin. I ran that wire down in the hole. I shoved it all in there. And then I went inside the RV. Let me see if I can give you kind of an idea of what I'm talking about here. Inside the RV, inside the cabinet, because there's a cabinet right there. And right about here in the bend, I drilled a hole. Well, this whole back cap is lined on the inside with fiberglass. So I got a little bit of wood, I got some fiberglass, and gosh, I got so lucky. I was right there. Hold on, I gotta go shut these dogs up. They hear me talking, and they're raising Cain. You can shut up now. You can shut up now. It's just me talking crazy. It's just me talking crazy. Hey, look at me.
Hey Dad, what you doing out there? I hear you talking to somebody. Who you talking to out there, Dad? I hear you. I've been telling Mama she needs to let me out so I can see who you're talking to, Dad. I know you want to let me out there. I know you do. Come on, Dad. Who you talking to?
That was a good picture. That's another good picture. Thank you. I'll use that for talking dog. Now shut up. So anyway, as I was saying, I went right about there where the bend is, and I drilled a hole right in there. Oh my gosh, I got so lucky. The wire was right there. Stuck a pair of needle nose in there, grabbed it, pulled it, brought it into the cabinet. We have two night lights right above our heads. All I did was bring that wire across the cabinet, tape it down with Gorilla Tape, brought it along the edge, the outer edge of the cabinet, pulled up the inside floor of the cabinet, put the wire under there, taped all that down, and then wired it directly into my nightlight. So that camera has constant 12-volt power all the time. It's powered all the time. Well, then I got disappointed because I pulled out my Galaxy S10 Plus, loaded the app just like the camera thing said, and it wouldn't work. So I get to doing research, and what I'm trying to get the glare off my glasses. Sorry. A lot of the folks say that oh crud, man. There's just one guy that posted on one of my YouTube videos. He's like, a script would have been nice. This was the most awfulest video I ever seen. Well, you know what? Not everybody lives by script, you know? Sorry, got off on a tangent. Anyway, I was reading some of the reviews, and the reviews said that they bitched about it wouldn't work on newer phones. So I pulled out, I have 2 prepaid phones. I have one through Visible that I do my internet with, and then I have one a track phone that I never activated to their Walmart track phone service, because all I wanted it for was the GPS, because I carried it velcroed to the dash of my Samurai, and I used it for the GPS, for the Gaia GPS program to record where I go on trails, so I could have a better idea in my own mind of trails. Anyway, I'm making a big long story out of nothing. I pulled up that track phone. Oh, it sank to the camera, just boom, that quick, sank right to the camera, boom. So I looked at Miss Sue and I says, hey mama, you know that tablet that you had laying by your bed that you just don't use since you got your new Galaxy S10? Are you gonna use it? Could I have it? And she's like, well, let me go see if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Sure, I'm not gonna use it. I got my new laptop. Okay, great. Guess what? It was perfect. Maybe I'll insert a picture. Right here. I don't know. Somewhere. It worked great. So I put it in this morning because we had to move in this morning. So I put it in my navigation. I have an arm. I have an arm that swings off my dash so I can hold a tablet. I bought it for the 12-inch tablet to use it for navigation. And it fits perfectly in that. And I was able to see to back the trailer. I'm spinning fast. I was able to see to back the trailer out of the spot rather than pulling forward through the spot and then having to go around Robin Hood's barn here in the park. We're going around Robin Hood's barn here in the park to get back over here. I just backed up from the spot I was in across the front of the park and then down my road, which is this road right here. And it made it easier. Made it easier. So there's another good upgrade. I know that I talked to a couple of folks on the Allegro's board, and I don't know if any of my Allegro brothers are going to be watching this or not, but I want to show you something else. Since how I'm making this video, I'm going to post this video today. I have another video for you that I'm thinking about doing weekly. It's called a random crap video, and I just take random pictures of stuff. So let me show you something here. I have inside a cabinet, and I thought that was my leak. But do you see that? See that right up there? That little poop vent thingy cap? Well, out. And the reason I say come to find out is because I went up there and I sealed that poop cap. I sealed the poop cap with Dicor. And guess what? My cabinet's not wet no more. So I don't know if we're going to have another leak again, but as a matter of fact, you can probably see some of the Dicor right on the very edge of right there. I don't know. It's an experience. It's an adventure. Come on an adventure and let's go on an adventure. That's what we're doing this for. We're retired. We have nothing else to do. We have no work. We're both getting our retirement. We're good to go, you know? And this is what we're doing. We're going in a vintage Allegro, but we're going. And even that brings forth challenges, you know, a vintage Allegro. I love it though. It's like me. It's fat. It's bald. And it's unique. And with a little cleaning and shining, I've got some siding that I don't like the way it looks, because it's like light here, dark here, light here, dark here. I'll get some polish or something and fix that. But it's a good runner, good driver, you know. I fixed my rear bumper. More about that later. Anyway, I want to get this one out. I'm getting kind of long. Just for all the folks that follow me at home, God, we're loving life right now. We are. There's always going to be something to complain about. Always. I mean, if you'll look at the ground and see all the little twigs, well, let me see if I can see these. All these little twigs. I've got my little grabber, and I'm going to go try to pick up all these little twigs and put them in the fire pit and clean up the campsite a little bit. But we're loving life, man. We are. Now I'm going to go in, see if my video making program has finished uploading its update on my visible wireless internet here with a crappy 2 bars of service, and put this video up for you guys. So, hi, I'm Edward with Camping with the Campbells, and thanks for coming and checking out our videos. Please come back, subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to do. Hey, if you don't want to do it, that's fine too. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to be creative and funny and put up some videos. Stay tuned for my random crap videos. So from Edward, see you guys. I just want you to know we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, Campervan Kevin, for coining that phrase. Thanks, each and every one of you. We appreciate everything that you do for us. See you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching our videos at Camping with the Campbells. Y'all come back now. You hear? Oh, and by the way, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Y'all have a great evening. We love y'all. Every one of you. Bye.